Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. How long does $1 million last in retirement? It's a big question with even bigger implications, especially with inflation, market volatility, and the fact that we're all living longer. So let's dive into it. When planning for retirement, many people wonder how long their savings will really last. And with $1 million, that question gets even more interesting. Today, we'll break down two popular strategies to help you maximize your retirement income: the 4% rule and using an annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, or GLWB. Both options can provide a steady income stream, but they work in different ways and offer different benefits. First up, let's talk about the 4% rule. This is one of the most well-known retirement strategies. The idea is simple. You withdraw 4% of your retirement savings each year. So, with a $1 million portfolio, you'd be withdrawing $40,000 per year. This method adjusts for inflation and is generally designed to make your money last around 25 to 30 years. The 4% rule has its advantages. It offers flexibility, allowing you to maintain control over your investments and adjust your withdrawals as needed. Additionally, there's the potential for growth. If the market performs well, your investments could grow, potentially extending the lifespan of your savings. However, there are some downsides to consider. Your income is tied to the ups and downs of the market, which means a downturn could significantly reduce the value of your portfolio. Furthermore, there's no certainty that your money will last as long as you need it, especially if you outlive those 30 years or face unexpected expenses. Now let's look at a different approach, using an annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, or GLWB. With a GLWB, you invest your $1 million in an annuity, which then guarantees you an income for life. Typically, you could receive around $75,000 per year, no matter how long you live or how the markets perform. Here's what makes a GLWB attractive. It provides guaranteed income, meaning you receive $75,000 every year regardless of market performance. This can offer significant peace of mind. Plus, it includes longevity protection, so even if you live beyond 30 years, you'll keep receiving that income. Some annuities even offer increasing payouts to help keep up with inflation, providing a bit of extra security over time. But as with any strategy, there are some trade-offs. Once you purchase the annuity, you lose some control over your initial investment, reducing your flexibility. And if your annuity doesn't have an inflation adjustment, the purchasing power of that $75,000 might decrease over time as costs rise. So, which strategy is right for you? It really depends on your personal situation and what you value most, whether it's flexibility and potential growth with the 4% rule, or guaranteed lifelong income with an annuity and a GLWB. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of each, and maybe even consider a blend of both strategies to match your retirement goals. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.